Hello guys, let me introduce myself. I am a gold hero. Every day I mow grass in the wild, in the field and even in rice field. Usually in my activities of mowing grass, I find many really tree for traditional medicine, wild animals, tame animals and insects. This time I was cutting grass in the wild in a mountainous area. The grass I took was grass with the name Bayona. Bayona is a wild grass that can be eaten by goats. After some time I took the grass and I saw a wildflower tree. This wildflower was not planted by humans but grew by itself. Apart from that, I also hear the sound of birds, the sound of insects, and you can hear them closely in the beauty of nature. After some time I was harvesting grass. I also found a betel plant. This betel plant lives wild and is not planted by human. This betel is usually used in traditional medicine for colds and is used for other medicine because betel is a plant that is widely used as medicine. Apart from betel, I also found a traditional medicine tree. This traditional medicine is called carino. Carino is usually used by some people to heal wounds, such as cut from knife, falls, and wound from other fracas. When I shifted to a place where the grass had not been taken for a while, I found the turmeric. Turmeric plant is usually used as a spice in dishes such as cooking chicken, duck, and other livestock meat. Apart from that, turmeric is also used as a spice is a busy odor remover in cooking. After I confirm and check it, then I carry out the activity of mowing the grass again. I mow the grass until the container is full. Container is full, usually taking almost 2 and 3 hours, depending on the amount of grass. However, in the dry season, taking one container of grass until it is full usually takes 4 to 5 hours. Because the grass container was not yet full, I continued to take the grass again. At that time, I saw an insect with the name of dragonfly, with such a beautiful color. And I also saw the flower of a wild plant, which we call the pachacere. Pachacere plant, apart from being eaten by goat, the pachacere plant can also be used for beauty purpose as nail polish, or also called nail polish of a woman. After mowing the grass for a while because the container was full, I continued to go home. When I was about to go home, the rain came, and I came home drenched in rain. Because the rain was getting bigger, I took shelter and rest in the hut while looking and enjoying the view. When the rain had almost stopped, I decided to go home because it was getting late. On the way home, I saw a red tree, so I named the tree is the blue tree. This red tree is probably really for people to find. The red tree is used as a feature if a place is used for burial or field grave. Apart from that, I also saw a wild plant with beautiful flowers, a tree called the Harendong tree. After a long journey, I arrived at my goat pen. Because I had a special gas, namely my goat gave birth to child. I was very happy. However, my goat is not breastfeeding its child. This is probably because the goat's mother is having her first child. This made it troublesome for me and my wife. So my wife took over to breastfeed him. Don't panic yet, the milk my wife did not give to child goat, but my wife get child goat milk from the stall. That's the grass mowing activity this time. Watch another interesting video in the next video. Thank you. See you later.
Kita menung betul nanti nung nabi